Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS colors. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS X color values. In CSS, a color can be specified using a hexadecimal value in the form like hashtag #RRGGBB, where RR represents the red, GG represents the green, and BB represents the blue. Hexadecimal values between 00 and FF, same as decimal value from 00 to 255. So once again, for example, when you have hashtag FF0000, that is going to display as red color, because red color is set to its highest value, FF. FF is 255 in digits, and it is also red in letter, which is color red, color red, and the others are set to the lowest value, 00. The lowest value is also dark, which is black. So 0000000 is all nothing, because there's nothing is going to display. It's going to be dark. So to display black color, set all values to 00 like this. Hashtag 000000. Definitely you are saying everything should be dark. The red should be dark, the green should be dark, and the blue should be dark. To display white color, set all values to FFFF like this. Hashtag FFFFF. Definitely you are saying 255, 285, 255. All of it should be in white status. That is red, green, red is here, green is here, and the other one is the blue. Experimenting by mixing the X values below. As you can see, this hashtag FF6347 right here is the one that gave us this kind of color. So when we mix this kind of colors together, this kind of numbers together, then we have this kind of color. But notice one thing: when you want to specify hexadecimal color, definitely you are going to start this with hashtag, then your value will be increased from 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the 9, it's going to, instead of jumping to 0, no, it's going to continue by counting. After the 9, it's changed to 9, 0, 9A, sorry, 9A, B, C, D, E, F. When it reach F, that's when it's now going to switch to 0 again. So that's how the hexadecimal works. So it's going to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. So the F that you are seeing right here, that's how it works. And all this one also is also as a part of the hexadecimal, because when we started counting, as you can see, we count 6, we count 3, we count 4, we count 7. So you can find all these numbers there. As you can see, RGB red is FF, green, when we specify green also, you can specify in this number. The green is 63, right? The blue is 47 right here, right? And we can do that with our RGB, our hexadecimal RGB also. So in our future tutorial also, we are still going to talk about this in deep details, but I'm trying to show you. Can you see this FFF right here? This hashtag FF0000 gave us red. This one hashtag 0000FF gave us blue. Hashtag 3CB371 gave us this kind of color, this kind of green, and hashtag EE82EE gave us this kind of color, and this hashtag FFA500 gave us this kind of color. Hashtag 6A FACD gave us this kind of color. So I want you to understand this deeply so you can be able to understand how you can use it. Shades of gray are often defined using equal values for all the three light sources. As you can see, when you use the same value for the three lights, as you can see, 3C, hashtag 3C gave us this kind of dark color. Hashtag 61 give us the light one. Hashtag 78 give us the lighter. Hashtag 64, hashtag B4 give us another one, and hashtag FO. As you can all see this, if you are having the same value in the three value RGB, definitely it's going to be like you are specifying the shades of gray value. So in our next video, we are going to discuss about this, how you can use this in details. We are going to use it, and we are going to work with it very well. So you can be, I'm just explaining this for now so you can be able to know how it works. In our next video, we are going to discuss how we can use it. We are going to see how we can use it in much more deep details. Please make sure you practice everything I'm showing you guys, because practice make perfect. If you don't do practicing, nobody will do that for you. Please practice. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Have a great day. Thank you so much.